Hi guys, welcome to tutorial 4, question 3. Let's do this. Like before, I'm going to put the question right over here, attempt it yourself, and then we're going to go through it together. Alright, okay, let's imagine a board of n by n. Sorry, I totally forgot that word. Let's imagine a board of n by n. Alright, okay, let's get rid of the easy cases first. Let's just think about this logically. If I am on row 1 or if I'm on column 1, right, I only have one path, right, to do. If I'm on row 1, I just keep going right. That's one path because there is no, you can't go backwards, you can't go up, and you can't go down. All you can do is go right. That's one path. All right, great. If I am in column 1, same thing. I can't go right, I can't go left, I can only go down, right? And I can't go up either. I can only go down. So that's one path. All right, great. Now, if we start at 1, 1 itself, then, there is no path. There's literally the empty path. Now, otherwise, other than that case that I just told you about, we're going to start, at m and n being greater or equal to 2, because, we already considered, the one case. And if that's the case, if we're assuming that m and n are bigger than or equal to 2 anywhere else on the map, all right, there's two ways we can do this. And you obviously know what it is. Either we can go down, right? If we go down, then we're making the path. There is n minus 1 comma n paths that we can take. And then, which is recursively calling it for the next step. And then, or if we want to take the right path, then we're going to go to fm comma n minus 1. Now, how's that going to help us with our recursive function? Well, we just kind of said it out loud, and I'm going to put it right over here. It's going to be f of mn equaling to, if m is equal to 1 or n is equal to 1, the row and the thing that we talked about at the beginning, there's going to be one path, right? But if m is bigger than or equal to 2 and n is bigger than or equal to 2, then the number of paths that we can take is 2 recursive calls. One is the one that we make for going down, and the other one is if we're going right. So it's going to be f of m minus 1 comma n, bracket, because it's a function call, plus f of m comma n minus 1. Now, why are we adding this? Well, because if I'm at m and n location, at the m and n location on the board, I can either go down or I can either go right. But when I'm here, I have two options, 2 recursive functions, right? So that's why we add them. It's not that I only have 1, I have 2. So that's why we add them. And that's pretty much it. All right, guys, that'll be all for question 3. I'll see you guys in the next one.